Ilang sakay tayo? Tren, tricycle.
No. Tricycle, tren, then tricycle ulit, then bus.
Tapos tricycle.
Then ulit.
Hi, this is my mother blog, Mr. Carby.
Mrs. Tara lang mag-impake. Pagkatapos ng birthday ni Sanbi, ayan, may dekorasyon pa nga, ay tulog na ang aking mga anak. At kami nga ni Mama ay nag-i-impake. Ilan dala mong damit, Ma?
Hindi ko pa alam. Ay, sinan pa kan. Wala pa ako.
Let's move na daw, guys. So, isang oras ng tulog ko. Ilang oras tulog mo?
Ang sarap ng tulog ko.
Our journey is starting now. We are going to... Good morning. Hi, Diyos ko Lord. Sana gabayan po tayo at parating po tayo ng safe. Kaka na. Sleeper, did you check everything? Time is 6.
Mama, we're going train or plane? Train.
We are going train. Telephone him.
Sandy!
Please go there.
First time ko dito sa train.
Pansit at saka kanin.
ये लोग कर लेते हैं छोटा
Paan ng manok, guys.
Ito yung chocolate ah.
eat this one Samir.
Sarap.
Cake. Love you.
Chip na naman tayo, guys. Matirang cake namin, guys. Yung birthday ni Sandy Mita. Dito na namin. You like to play doll now? So, andito kami sa Mangalore, guys. Meron kaming connecting flight. Meron kaming connecting bus kasi hindi available yung train sa Mangalore pa uwing sa probinsya ng mister ko. So, kung mag-aantay kami ng bus, mamayang gabi pa kami makakauwi. Mga 9:30 pa available yung train. So, ang gagawin namin ngayon, magbabas kami. How many hours travel by bus?
3 hours.
Ha?
3 hours.
3 hours.
We need to get direct bus. That is important.
Direct bus is available. Ha?
Rajesh is telling it's available. Just check.
Always?
Not always, but there is a gap. You just check.
Okay.
If not, you can go directly Kundapura. From Kundapura again you have to change.
Oh my God. Siyan. Gabi na. Nasa biyahe pa rin kami. Stop over kami, guys. Ano ma? Kaya pa?
Sobrang init.
Kumain kami ngayon ng ang paborito kong mani.
Paboritong Pepsi.
Wow!
Saging.
Grabing biyahe ito. Anong oras tayo bumiyahe, ma? Alas 6?
Gumising kami ng
5.
5 o'clock.
Talaga?
Malis kami alas 7. Ay, 6:30.
How are you, my sumi ko? Isang oras na lang. Makakarating na kami sa Bantala.
So
Bat kala. One more bag.
Oh,
Ha? Sammy, what is the time?
Oh, I can read.
Ha?
1
9:47.
1 minute late. Her watch is 1 minute late. It's 1:48. Ay, 9:48.
Sakay pa tayo ng tricycle. Ilang sakay tayo? Tren, tricycle.
No. Tricycle, tren, then tricycle ulit, then bus,
Tapos
then
tricycle.
tricycle ulit, 5. Pero yung town.
Hello, Maria. Di tayo magkaintindihan. Nakakiwa ko sa'yo. Kaya itong nagbubuto ako. Kahit hindi tayo magkaintindihan lang. Ito napapagod ako. Bakit tarong-tarongin ang hindi ko maintindihan.
Mommy daw.
Oh,
Mami, pasok na. Saan? Dito. Hoy, dito ka. Oo.
Bye, Shawnee.
Bye.
come.
Take care, ha. Go to Papa. Me? No space. No space. Mama, si Salmi gusto dyan. Oh, Salmi, hold.
Bye, Sammy.
Kamote!
Hi.
Kamote! 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 Oo. So, this is our room here, guys. Ang aming kwarto. Tapos, ito ang aming CR. Mukhang nilinis nila yung CR, ma. May sarili kaming CR sa aming kwarto. Kuha tayo, ma!
Akyat ka?
Ma, kuha tayo, ma! Asan si Pulgasa? Dito na kami sa beach. Nakakuha ang mister ko ng isa. Tapos may nakakita sa amin eh. Pinagbawalan na kami. Wow! The beach is so clean. Run now, Sian. Slowly. Slowly, Sunny.
I got chairs for you.
Nancy?
Here you go.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nabasa na, pero who cares?
Marimar! Marimar! Ano yan? Ano masasabi mo dito? Sa lugar na to?
Parang buhay. Parang buhay yung dagat dito.
Oo nga. Ang laki ng alon mo. Woo!
Wait na.
Talaba?
Just be here, huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Just wait only.
Expert.
Oh, don't come. Stay here only. We should stay.
Mama, Mino!
We'll take photo.
Okay. Hey, Manbi. That's okay, Dee. That's okay. That's okay, Dee. Makain siya ng buns, guys. Sabi niya, what Sushmita said again before?
I said, she said, I'm hungry. Okay, we will eat buns now. She said, are you sure we will get buns here? I said, the buns is born here only, our native.
You're happy here? You're happy to be here, Papa Native? Yes? Ay ko!
I found so many shells. See? There's so many shells right over here. Mama, can I put it there?
Okay.
Now we have a challenge right over there.
Binagay mo sa kulay ng beach.
Hindi, character talaga yan.
Character talaga yan. Pero, ang ganda.
Yeah, singing character. Right? Singing character.
So, ayan ang ginagawa niya habang kami ay busy maghanap ng shells at manood ng waves.